Hello all, welcome to Robas. I'm in Ferguson College and right now I'm in front of the fashion department here. Fashion department was established around 2013, but it has evolved very rapidly into a very creative hub where a lot of fashion designers are the alumni here, and the students here turn into some great designers and fashion teachers with a lot of great faculty. So here is the classroom that I'll show you where all the magic happens. So this is the department where you can see students are actually practicing the practicals, they're stitching, they're working with the fabrics, the faculty is right there, these are the machines, and everything is very, very practical. So this is one classroom, and the other classroom is right next to this one, which is this. And even here there are students working, stitching, preparing for their upcoming fest, upcoming events that happen a lot here, for example some beauty pageants and fashion events, like you can see. So overall the entire department is working really hard for everything and designing really well. So we are going to talk to one of the students of the department and ask her the experience so far. Hi, how are you? How is the experience so far for you, and what year are you in, and your overall experience?
Yeah. So hi, I am from the fashion department, Ferguson College. It's my first year in the college, and so far I think we'll complete one semester in the college. But it's been a great journey, as all of our teachers are just so polite. We just enjoy teaching, studying with them, and top of that, it's been a great experience for me so far.
That's so good. So tell me more about the alumni, and how are you all preparing for the upcoming events, or do you all have any fashion events that are coming up, and how do you all or the faculty prepares you for the events?
Talking about the alumni, we just had a batch passing out as the first degree batch of Ferguson in fashion technology. And secondly, I will say that we had an event, like our fashion show was just done 1 month ago, and it was a great experience. I just got to know what is professionalism. We got so many experiences. They were just so beautiful. The way our teachers had put up the show, the way all of the years have had come together just to make the show successful, the way celebrities had come, the way we were being judged, what were the criterias. We understood all of that. And secondly, I also got to know that how do designers work, what is just known as an aura of a designer or a stylist. I got to know about that, so it was a great experience. And also we have a upcoming fashion fest, so that Ferguson, as it's known for the fest, so we also have a fest coming up in the December. So, and we also have a fashion show in the upcoming January or Feb.
Thank you so much for talking to us. So this was the student from fashion department, and this was all about the fashion department. So we will keep you updated about the department as well. With cameraman Trishna, I'm Kaveri, Roberts, Pune.